Hey everybody, my name is Ted Plummer. I'm the Director of Software Product Management here at Markforged. The promise of additive manufacturing has always been fast, iterative development of parts, but as soon as you need to put those parts through an inspection process, you can lose all of that advantage. How do you ensure this part's going to meet your strength, dimensional, and functional requirements? Welcome to the software update. This is a sample part that we use to assess the accuracy of our printers. Without Blacksmith, if I wanted to determine if this part was fit for function, I would either need to procure expensive inspection equipment, or I would have to rely on manual processes, which are fraught with human error. If me and somebody else in the room use these calipers to measure this part, we would get slightly different results. This is where we can help with our technology called Blacksmith. Blacksmith is autopilot for digital manufacturing. Blacksmith automates this full process and makes manual measurement of parts completely obsolete. Configuring Blacksmith in Eiger is easy. You simply set up your part, selecting your material with all of your internal strength requirements, laying in carbon fiber, and then add Blacksmith at the click of a button. Blacksmith is capable of scanning to within an accuracy of plus or minus 30 micron on a part with a characteristic feature of at least 3 millimeters. And because it scans as we're printing up the part, it can measure internal and otherwise occluded features that are inaccessible once the part has been manufactured. Blacksmith allows you to select just your critical features with high resolution, allowing you to optimize your print time and maximize your throughput. Once we've done that, it's as simple as saving the part and hitting print. Blacksmith will automatically generate 3D views with histograms of deviation so that you can get a sense of the quality of the part without having to take any manual steps at all. It can provide inspection reports showing you that the part is exactly the right shape, fit, form, function that you need, and process control data so that you know who printed the part, what printer they used, when it was printed, and what version of software was used to manufacture this part. Let me show you one of the reports that Blacksmith will automatically generate for this part right here and can be easily printed, shared, emailed, or accessed through Eiger Fleet APIs. On this report, you can see all of the information about the part itself, the specific internal structure of the part, the infill, the density, the layer heights, the types of fiber used to reinforce the part. You then get into the scan data that we collected. And here you can see the point cloud that we generated measuring your part as we printed it. We're able to really focus in on the features of the part that are critical to our application. For example, here, the angle between these two features might be a critical dimension for it to fit into its final application. It was meant to be a perfect 90-degree angle, and I can see that the printer was able to faithfully reproduce that to 90.36 degrees. Depending on my tolerances, that's either acceptable or not, but now I have the data to make the decision about whether or not this part's fit to go into service. And I can do that across all of my printers, across all of my locations, from one cloud-based interface. Our mission is to help our customers use our technology so that you get the performance you need every time you press the print button. With that, I hope you have a better understanding of how our platform can help you solve critical business problems. Thanks for watching.